Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I just did this. This is the Batman of Inglewood, saving the day like usual. So, what happened was, now, I realized that some people who get these bikes, you know, the DIY bikes, they don't put the headset on right. So, the reason why people out here are hearing this little crazy clicking sound is because yeah, they gave me one with rust. Yeah, really shitty, right? But don't pay attention to that. Anyways, it was a space in between here and that little spacer, right? So, or the seal. It was a big space. I'm talking about 2 millimeters or something like that. And whenever you hear the forks you just hear this, you hear this little cracking sound, crack, 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 crack. And I said, man, I've been seeing this on somebody's video, and I said, man, you know, I think I know what it is. I said, let me look at mine. I'm like, wait, that's what mine was doing. And it turns out it's because the headset was up too high and there was space in between here. So I said, man, it gotta be a way I can fix this without me having to take this whole shit apart. Look at all this stuff. I got way too much shit going on, man. I didn't want to have to take all this stuff down just to get to that. So then what I did, boom. I said if I keep the crown tightened and then use a screwdriver in between here, and yeah, what the hell? I just didn't realize I'm using a rusted one. That's real dumb. Okay, anyways. Then I use the leverage from this being tightened, and then I just use my mallet, and once I hit that in, this piece moved downward. So now it's not going to be doing all that, none of that rocking crap or that little crackling sound. So anybody who was having that issue, all you have to do is just get a screwdriver and tap into these little spacers, which would then push this down, but keep your crown tight. You don't even have to undo all this stuff. So I took my radio off right here so I can get to this and realized I didn't even have to do all that. But anyways, that's all you have to do. Tap into one of your spacers. Let me zoom in a little bit. Tap into that and use that as leverage. Use the crown being tightened as leverage so this thing could drop downward and tighten up. Wow, my damn fingers look like the damn copper. What the hell? That's crazy. Anyways, Batman of Inglewood signing out. And please leave a like and subscribe.